How to Win a PFA Hearing, a Step-by-Step Guide. Getting hit with a protection from abuse, PFA order, can be a terrifying experience. But winning a PFA hearing is far from impossible if you take the right steps and choose the right attorney. Here's how to navigate this challenging situation and protect your rights. Understanding PFA orders. There are two types of PFA orders. Temporary PFA, issued as an emergency without your knowledge or input. Final PFA, a contested hearing where both sides present their case and are subject to cross-examination. If a PFA order is granted, it can lead to serious consequences, including eviction from your home, loss of firearm rights, and restricted access to your children. The outcome of the PFA hearing determines the final decision, making it crucial to be well prepared. Steps to win your PFA hearing. Choose the right attorney. Do not rely on your divorce attorney. You need a criminal defense attorney who specializes in protecting your rights and keeping you out of prison. Gather evidence. Collect all relevant emails, texts, and witnesses that provide context to the situation. Share everything with your lawyer to build a strong defense. Avoid contact with the alleged victim. Any contact, even indirect, can be used against you. Follow the PFA order strictly to avoid further complications. Do not represent yourself. The legal system can be complex and biased. An experienced attorney can effectively counter the other side's attempts to manipulate the court. Dress for success. Appear in court looking professional. Your appearance can influence how the judge perceives you. Cover tattoos and wear your best attire. Dealing with postponements. If the other side keeps postponing the PFA hearing, it can be a tactic to prolong the temporary order. A criminal defense attorney can handle these delays and fight for your rights more aggressively than a divorce attorney. Remember, a continuance is legal and can extend the period before the final hearing beyond the initial 10 days. Dropping a final PFA order. The person who filed for the PFA can request for it to be dropped, but this involves a detailed legal process. Never attempt to handle this on your own. Always use an attorney to avoid any risk of violating the PFA order. Conclusion: a PFA order can severely impact your life, but with the right approach and legal representation, you can successfully navigate the hearing. At the McShane firm, we specialize in defending your rights and ensuring you receive a fair hearing. Contact the McShane firm today at 717-657-3900 for a free consultation. Our experienced attorneys will help you plan a course of action to fight the charges and protect your future. The McShane firm, because your rights matter.